We are cooking! Alright! Hello everybody. I have had tons of messages asking me to try out an air fryer, and it has intrigued me. It's something I've wanted to do for a very long time. I think Amy wants to do it, right? Boston, not so much. So today's video, I thought I would head out to go purchase an air fryer and put it to test, do like 3 classic fried recipes and see how we get on. We're going to get an air fryer, the kitchen gadget aisle, my favourite aisle. So this one's £119, seems a lot. And this one's 40. We're going to go for the expensive one. It's got a security tag on it and everything. This thing's expensive, it better work. Alright, so this thing's probably going to have some sort of recipe book in it. I'm going to have a little browse through now. Aha! Yes! Look at this, spicy chicken drumsticks, chicken tikka masala, calamari, nice. I'll pick 3 of these. Chips is going to be happening. Alright, I'm not going to go too over the top of the review of this, let's just get out of the box. Alright, here we go. So this is the manual thing that we saw earlier. We've got the recipes out of. This looks like more of a technical manual, but this is the Scoopy Important Thing. That is the name, Scoopy Important Thing. Basically, that's what is all the oil that should be needed. So it should save you massive amounts compared to standard frying. Boom. Look at that thing. I feel like we're making Tron. You can sort of see me in it. This is weird. Does this open? What does this do? Oh, that's the basket. All right. On-off button, timer, and then it's got like logos like you have on microwaves and stuff that nobody really looks at. Well, hey. All right, so I guess I can wash this out. I'm gonna do all that boring stuff, and we'll start with chicken tikka masala. In a bowl, mix the tikka masala paste, the sliced chicken, and 3 Actifry spoons of yogurt. Oh, okay, so not tablespoons, they're actually using Actifry spoons. I'm sure it's probably a tablespoon. And I don't know where my spoon's gone. Aha, yeah. It is essentially a tablespoon, I swear. Right, let's do that. Alright, so whilst that is marinating... Sorry, I'm not sure. We need to chop an onion. That's how you chop an onion. 5 minutes to cook our onions first. Random thought for you, I'm saying onions, but it's still technically 1 onion. Plenty of room for our chicken in a bit. This is some sunflower oil that I'm going to pour into a tablespoon measurer just to see. Oh, whoops. Yeah. It's basically a tablespoon. That is all the oil we're using, which for frying onions, to be honest, that's what I use normally. That locks it in place. Close the lid down. There it is. See, the onions are spinning round. I can feel the heat coming from it in the air. The oil is in the air. I don't know if that's going to give it that nice crispness. We'll find out with the chips, ideally for that. Right, as you know from my previous video with the toaster, oh, it's on fire. And thank you for all the feedback on that. It was a little bit dangerous. Safety is paramount. Oh wow, you might not be able to hear it, but those onions are gently sizzling. It might sizzle. No, it didn't sizzle. So some of this leftover marinade, we're going to keep that for a little bit later. Down it goes. Around you go. You can just see it, the masala has climbed on top of the onions, like a wildlife program. I have to say that so far, the smell is amazing. Mrs. Barry's going to hate it later, but it is genuinely impressing me. That chicken, I'll show you in a minute, is cooked through. It's white already. That's a little bit dangerous because it is very hot. Look, can you see on those onions, you are getting that sort of charred edge, and that is a big old fat piece of cooked chicken right down there. Let's carry on. I'm finding this scarily enjoyable. Wow. Push in the rest of our yogurt. Juice of a lemon. I love that gadget so much. Bits of coriander. Down, down, Whoa. We are cooking! Alright! And in 5 more minutes, we should have an amazing tikka masala. Oh my gosh. The smell is insane in here, folks. A few coriander leaves on top as well. Yeah, baby. Wow, that slid right down. Stonking. Ultimately, the meat, which is the most important thing to cook, is nice, soft, tender, cooked through, obviously. But I say I maybe would have liked a little bit more charring. It tastes really fresh and non-oily. I like that. So next up, cinnamon apples. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I want to put some creme fraiche or something on this, but I've stuck to the recipe. Oh. It's really super softened. And that's basically what I was looking to do, soften the apples. So we've softened fruit, apples and apricots. We have cooked through meat, but now the ultimate test, French fries. Will we get them crispy? That is important to me. French fries. We need potatoes. We're gonna peel them. Nice. We're gonna slice them into chips. We're gonna wash them. We now dry them. Some people call this pat. That's an EastEnders British reference. Pat drying. This is what I'm excited about. Compared to frying normal chips, just 1 tablespoon of, this is sunflower oil actually. I don't know if this is gonna compare to my thrice cooked chips. If you've not seen that video, that's on the channel, look at that. It's amazing. But this is, I've got hopes for this. This is the big one, 40 minutes. All right, so that's cooking away. Some of you have reached out on Twitter to say this is actually gonna blow my mind, particularly Callum Bassett, who's actually got the same model as me. I don't know. So Callum, no pressure, mate. 3, 2, 1. Oh, baby. Bit weird how it doesn't auto shut off with the timer. Hey ho. Guess it means you've got to keep your eye on it. Wow. Oi! Stop timer. Look at this. Wow, that is an amazing colour on there. And I was worried that with the stirring action, it might break it up a little bit. You might better see I've got the kitchen towel on the side there because, like, obviously normally when you fry chips, you've got to drain them off. Wow. They are like bone dry. I sprinkle some smoked salt on it. The actual owner of Maldon sometimes contacts me and goes, hey, thanks so much for shouting us out. I'm like, hey, it's all good. They smell so good. I don't know why I've got this thing, but it looks pretty cool. Guess it runs with a frying vibe as well, right? Well, they look like chips. Let's see what they taste like. Oh, yeah. Wow, they're so hot. You do get that crispy skin. Whoops. That crispy skin on there. It's all soft in the middle and that lovely golden outside. I am absolutely amazed by these. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. If you've got any video ideas, topics that you want to see me take, like an air fryer video, this became a video for you guys, let me know down below. Follow me on social media at My Virgin Kitchen. Totally going to get husband points from Mrs. Barry now. I've got cold curry, cold chips and soggy apples for dinner. Boom. Bye.
There's a place in your house where it's cool to chill, get some me time, or even cook a meal. It's your kitchen, mofo. Ain't no time to slack, so just grab yourself.
The heck is this?